The first quarter of our Young Investor Stock Market competition was a walk in the park for University of the West Indies first-year accounting student Dexter Smith. Dexter defeated his nearest competitor Kamala Bailey by over $72,000, thus taking the top quarterly prize of 25,000 Jamaican dollars. At the 2011 Young Investors Prize Giving Breakfast at the Jamaica Stock Exchange on May 30, I gave a synopsis of the first quarter. This year we've had an interesting trio. Kamala Smith from Kingston Technical High School and Dexter Smith from the University of the West Indies, a first-year accounting student, and of course Kamala Bailey, also a first-year accounting student from the University of the West Indies. They've all done very well. On the competitive side, we've had a runaway leader. We had a runaway leader and winner in the first quarter. Dexter Smith won the first quarter handsomely. Second place went to Kamala Bailey, and in third place was Kamala Smith. And interestingly, I'd like to say a few things, my observations of the first quarter. Two of the competitors had huge portfolios, and later on they trimmed the portfolios to manageable levels, and I think this began to pay dividends, particularly in Nakilah's case. At one point she had a portfolio of over 15 stocks, and now she's having like 2 and 3, and I see some positive things happening there. So even within the competition itself, we have a learning process going on, and that's part of the objective. Congratulations to all concerned. The Jamaica Stock Exchange has been our major partner in this competition since its inception, and General Manager Marlene-Street-Forrest emphasized why the exchange collaborated with us on the project.
Why the Jamaica Stock Exchange joined forces with Mr. Owen-James in respect to the Young Investor Program. The first thing is that we look at it from a standpoint of corporate social responsibility. But not only that, we are in the business of investment, equities investment, and we felt that it was good for persons and young persons. We want to create a culture for young persons to understand just what is investment, and the tools, equip them with the tools for investing. We feel that if we can harness that knowledge, it will do the exchange and indeed the Jamaican public well in terms of the young persons who will come out and be equipped, whether in their business or other spheres of investment. And to that, because of that, we are happy that based on the reports that we have seen, that the program is taking root, not only from the standpoint of probably the enjoyment that you as the investors, the young investors feel, but others that are watching the program, the feedback that we are getting. And I think this augurs well for not only our market, but Jamaica on the whole. Again, I'm thankful that Mr. James saw the vision and that we continue to be part of this investment program.
General Manager of the Jamaica Stock Exchange, Marlene-Street-Forrest, speaking at a prize-giving